to Sky World. In this video, we're going to be discussing the medicine and messages associated with woodpecker. In my opinion, birds are like angels as far as being messengers of spirit. The difference being that the birds exist alongside of us in the earth plane. So these messages tend to get overlooked and being dismissed as a coincidence or seen as, mundane in our earth experience. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In my opinion, these messages are most profound because the birds carry this energy directly from spirit into our immediate awareness to assist us and guide us and support us. So it's been in the past that I would pull a card to make the video to read the energy and see what medicine was needed for us during that week. But in this video and my next few spirit animal videos will be inspired by actual animal communications that I have recently been experiencing, and the bird messages are really coming through at this time. The cosmos is speaking to us through the earth quite magnificently at this moment. So how do you know if a spirit animal or if an animal is bringing you a spirit message in this earth realm? Your emotional response is the key, right? So you'll be like, see ravens all day long or crows or whatever, and in the parking lots and whatever, and it's not a big deal, but you go to pull out and one swoops down in front of your car or draws your attention to it. So oh, look at the butterfly, like that's your indication, your reaction to it. Oh, look, a dragonfly, oh, look, that's how you know that that you've been sparked by spirit and have a message. So let's see. And also another way is just if your attention was randomly pulled, you're talking to somebody in the car and then all of a sudden you turn and look out the window just in time to catch an eagle landing in the tree. That's another way to know that a message is for you. Which brings us to today's topic, woodpecker. Now, I hear these birds quite often in the woods, and they're like a car alarm. And if you've ever lived in the woods, in a house with a metal roof, and the woodpecker comes and wakes you up at the crack of dawn, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But anyway, I rarely see them, even though I hear them often. So I was quite surprised when I saw 2 in one day. And when I Googled the message, it really resonated with me. So I shared it on my personal Facebook page. And as soon as I did, I got an immediate response from one of my aunts, and she was like, "Oh, funny, you should share this today. I saw a woodpecker in my dreams last night." So since I had already started my research, I was like, "Oh my God, if it appears to you in a dream, it means this or that." And so one of the messages, if it appeared in a dream, was that it could be heralding a busy time in your life, which really resonated with her. She was like, "Oh my gosh, yes, that's exactly what's happening." So please use your intuition and to discern